I want take 2, Nick on Gatsby's.
Take 2 on Nick Carraway, the protagonist of Gatsby, the musical.
Hello, my name is Stephen Blackwood. I'm playing Nick Carraway in my adaptation of The Great Gatsby. Nick Carraway is a character that is quite. He wants to know quite a lot of information. He's a resident DJ. He's the DJ of Gatsby's and that sort of stuff, and he's trying to get around, finding out what is going on with this Gatsby fellow. He is a lower class, from a lower class background, and he's trying to, hang around with higher class such as Gatsby, Daisy, Tom Buchanan, Jordan, that sort of stuff. And as the night progresses, we go through, and he gets along and tries to meet a handful of different characters to try and find out as much as he can about this Gatsby fellow, as he doesn't trust the fact he's getting closer with his cousin Daisy, and wants to know what is kind of going on there. Although, my take on this is, being the director and an actor, I have to balance my time from the role, but I'm just trying to look at it as like a mystery that we're solving. So throughout the night, I'm being quite, quite open with questions and quite, trying to find out as much as I can. And he just wants to find out what is going on at this brand new club that has just opened. He's just worked for, because he knows that there's something a bit more than there's something a bit out of place there, and he's trying to work out what it is. So yeah, come along next Thursday the 10th of May, to Step by Steps, the Stephen Blackwood Studios performance of Gatsby's. I'll be there, Nick Carraway, resident DJ. Make sure that you get your free drink and come over and get some song requests. I will see you at Gatsby's. Boom, boom.
Please tell me you keep on the Hold on, I need to do the cut thing.
And
cut on this mess of an intro.
And cut on Nick.